my channel. Today I am showing y'all how to get the Rift Rifle over here. So first you'll need yourself and 8 and 7 other people to come over here and dance at the same time. That's pretty much it. Okay? And then you'll need all of y'all to come in and emote at the same time. Um Okay, and that's how you get the Rift Rifle. What it does is that once you shoot someone, it teleports you to them. Thanks for coming to my channel. Have a great day.